Yeah, only in Vegas. I was out trying to show know how to fly the drone, so we kind of working this thing together. It's nighttime, and nighttime. It's kind of hard to get the video quality or just the video to come out exactly how you want it, but I wanted to get a good video of the Luxor. That's the pyramid looking thing over there. That was kind of my goal. I wanted to get just some good up close video of the Luxor. And it's got like this. It's got different color lights. Going down. Well, going down the four corners, four sides. What do you call a pyramid? I'm not sure. But I wanted to get a close up of the light that shoots straight up in the sky. From all over Vegas, you can always see that. It's a really, really, really bright light. Yeah. Okay, there we go. As you can see, it looks like it's multiple lights shooting up out of there. I can't really tell how many it is. Um, I guess I didn't want to get too close. It was night, not really. Visibility wasn't the greatest. I was kind of using the GPS and those things to exactly tell where I was, but it was still pretty difficult. But it's all good. Um, you know, the night lights in Vegas are insane. The lights are insane. I was hoping to, get a pretty good view of the lights, the downtown lights. See New York sitting there. Look a little bit further back, you can see Paris also. But it's like, it's just hard to really get all the colors at nighttime. There's Allegiant Stadium. I think that's not a Raiders fan, of course. I'm from Baltimore, beating water away, but it's a pretty nice looking stadium at night. I can't deny that. It is, but so it fits right into the Vegas skyline, even though it's kind of short compared to all other buildings over on the strip. But it's just really like a block, 2 blocks across from the strip, so it's really right there, as you can see. And yeah, uh, I haven't been to in the stadium to see a game yet because because of COVID, they didn't really have a lot of fans coming in to see games, so I haven't got a chance to go in there, but I plan on doing it next season, just to go inside. And I don't know. I gotta look at the schedule. Maybe the Ravens are playing. If the Ravens are playing, I'll definitely go there because that's if they play in Las Vegas, because that's my team. But yeah, man, it's just a really good looking stadium, daytime and nighttime. But I actually went over by the grass too because it's an indoor stadium, so they have natural grass. So what they do is they have it like a sled. The whole football field just rolls out of the stadium, and they take care of the grass outside the stadium, and So I actually went over by this. I don't know. I don't know if I might have recorded some of the grass. I'm not sure, but they roll the grass out, you know, and then they only roll it in, you know, usually around game times they'll roll it inside and play on it, and they'll actually bring it back out, and they'll take care of the grass on the outside of the stadium. It's pretty decent. It's pretty cool. Like I said, that Vegas skyline is I mean, it's a nice skyline. Like New York has a nice skyline, but Vegas' skyline is just like, it's lit up, bright lights. Whereas New York is just kind of like, I don't know how to describe it. It's just like you can see the shapes of the buildings and stuff like that, which is iconic. Don't get me wrong. But the Vegas is just, it's all lit up. Let me see. Oh yeah, and I guess I've been in Vegas now almost 4 weeks, and it's been nice. We got everybody out here with me, so fortunately, I've been able to find Matthew a team to, you know, just to kind of work out with. You know, of course he's still his team back home, but you know, just so he would, you know, be able to keep working and stuff like that. And he's really enjoying it, man. He's bonded with the guys, and I guess he looks forward to playing with them. I guess pretty much, you know, wherever they play, you know, he don't mind traveling. But it's a good group of guys. They got some size, and they, you know. Okay, you know what? I'm backing up a little bit. I'll try to look over. If you look to the right a little bit of the stadium, you can kind of see the grass I was telling you about, the grass they roll out. I was trying to get in the video. It's to the right of the stadium. It's that's the grass field that they roll out, you know, take care of outside, and they roll it back in. But yeah, like I was saying, Matthew, he's, you know, everybody's, you know, they're enjoying Vegas. It's, you know, it's nothing like home, but they like, you know, they like being out here, and the weather's pretty decent. You know, we're going swimming. We went to the Hoover Dam yesterday, and you know, we've been to the Grand Canyon. We go to Red Rock. I think it's Red Rock Canyon. We've been there, and you know, shopping. It's just a pretty nice place to visit. And you know, it's kind of hard sometimes when you're trying to get 6 people on the same page in any city, but so far it's been working. Yeah, there's that Las Vegas night skyline. See all the bright buildings over there. It's awesome. I mean, I just don't know if this video can pick up the true colors that I see. Because I'm not going to color grade it. I don't color grade it because I just want it to look exactly pretty much how it comes out of the camera. That's how I want it to look. And so I don't do any type of editing or any type of thing like that, because I want everybody to get an opportunity to see kind of what it really looks like and not what you want it to look like. So yeah, I think it's pretty. I just think it's a pretty nice, bright, vibrant. That's what it is, vibrant lights. I keep saying, I don't want to say pretty colors, but vibrant. So vibrant, different tones, everything. I I mean, there's so many pictures I could just take out of this video. I don't know. I'll take a look at it. There's Allegiant. You know, and I think sometimes this video doesn't do the stadium no justice, because it really is it's a really nice looking stadium, especially at night. But it's really just white lights from what you see mainly, and it's trimmed in black, so it's not popping out like some of the other colors, but it's still pretty. Especially as far as the stadiums go, it's pretty awesome. And I look forward to going there to watch a few football games. I was getting a little shut. I don't know what that was from. I think I was too close to electrical wires or something like that. There was something going on with the video. It was like I was getting a lot of interference with the drone. I don't know what in the world that was about, but it's cool. No issues at all. Get your weed. Okay, let me get out of here. I'm gonna get Noah to go and grab the drone for me. Uh, oh, there's Noah. He just popped the door open.